What's up, guys? How are you doing? It's your boy Trader Nas here, and I'm back again. You know that this is a new year. It's just a 2024. So let's just forget everything that already passed on the last year, and this is a new year. We come back again with the new themes, new bank, new content, and new winning styles, guys. So today we had an opportunity on NASDAQ. So I say that I will upload a video due to what's happened on the market, guys. Look at this graph. That was the. Let me just show you before I'm checking back on my trading view. Let me just show you. So guys, this was my trade that I took today. That was the easy trade, guys. You know that we're in a bullish market. Compare with other data, guys. Compare with the form gun CPI and NFP. We know that we have we could have a CPI on this week, so I hope that the CPI could be normal. So we expect a weak dollar. So guys, this was my first trade that I took on NASDAQ. Look at careful here. My stop loss was below this one, and my initial target was this zone here. The trade was very easy, guys. If you understand what I'm doing, it's all about passion. Like, guys, look at this is a 1 minute chart time frame, guys, and this is a 15-minute time frame breaker. So I was waiting for this one, and that is the kind of liquidity. So I was waiting for the breaker and price come back to just inside of this breaker. So I entered here, and my stop loss was below this breaker. So I had an idea that price is supposed to go up, so that's why I entered here, and then this is the result, guys. Look at careful here what happened. That was the easy trade that I took on my real account, guys. That was my real account, and I took that price, guys. That was an easy trade, and what I can say, maybe just entered. So guys, let me just, before wasting my time, let me just come back on my charts and look at careful, guys. It's all about learning what you wanna doing, guys, or what you understand. It's all about learning. Every day you are supposed to learn, guys. So let me just start it quickly from the daily time frame, guys. Everyone he or she can understand, guys. Look at careful here what you could have here. Look at careful here. Look at careful. So this was the last swing high for this CFD. You know that this is the CFD. Yes, this is the CFD and not the future. You know that. So guys, price start that last swing high for NASDAQ, and then start to drop. Look at this bearish candlestick followed by bullish candlestick, and then price drop. Look that, like that is the daily fair value, and I was expecting that price is supposed to reach this zone and pop and bounce back, and price did that well. Bounce back. It was an FP day, so price dropped and then touched the fair value, that is the daily fair value, and then price went up quickly. So guys, that is the Monday candlestick, opened with a strong and bearish candle, with a strong bears movement that you see here. That was the bears movement. If you are looking at this, I'm very careful. That was the bears. So guys, I think that for those who are trying to short this market, it's just kind of different, guys. And look at, if this candlestick will close like this one, it's just like a fair value again here, just like this one. It's just like a daily fair value. So any kind of price action that will happen here, look at this will act at the fair value. If the price could close like that, so we could expect a drop till to this zone here, and the price could go up again. Only that, guys. So I'm not a financial advisor. Anything can happen in that field, guys. So that was the daily time frame. Shifting back to 4-hour time frame, during London sessions, those guys tried to short the market. They were trying to short the market when price opened, and they said that I'm waiting for them so as I can buy it. Just look at this kind of support. This is a resistance breakout kind of support. Strong bearish rejection that followed was a strong one, bullish momentum candlestick, guys. That was a strong one that we always like to see, guys. Look at that kind of hammer instead of that support. That was the resistance that price touched. Look at price bounce, went up, dropped, and then bounced up, and then dropped, act as the resistance, and now price break, act as support, guys. You know that you should understand the market structure, guys. So after seeing that, I say that I'm going to buy it, guys, and I entered at this low. Why I entered at this low? Because I said there are a change of character on the lower time frame, but I was in line with higher time frame market order flow. So the market order flow was a bullish one on the daily time frame. Look at this strong candlestick, daily candlestick. That is a strong bullish candlestick. So I know that some trader think that for those who will CMC, they are waiting to short these markets, but if they will short around this zone here, it could drop till to this zone here, and then it could shift back up. So guys, let me just shift it in the 15-minute time frame. So that is the place where I see the entry, guys. The place where I see the entry. Look at careful here. So price, that is the today that is the last swing high for this week, and this price opened, quickly drop, series of lower highs, lower highs, and then price fell to create a lower high. So this means that it's just a change of character that we see that inside of this zone. That is the situation of change of character that we see that strong rejection when it's up on the same price to drop. So there's a strong rejection. So I marked that breaker on the higher time frame, that 15, and then I shift down into 1 minute time frame, guys. I took that trade on the 1 minute time frame. You are asking yourself why I took that, because everything starts from the lower time frame, in line with market's order for higher market time frame order for, guys. So look at careful. That was the swing is low that I was looking for the liquidity, and then price do that liquidity, and I say that let me just waiting for this price to break this break on the higher time frame. So price create does accumulate. You know that after the accumulation we expected for the expansion, guys. So price quickly went up. So as I know, if the price accumulated then boomed up quickly or down quickly, the price is supposed to pull back so it can feel the orders. So price pull back, and then say wow, that are than a good ideas. And then there are some traders who entered here, but I'm always took the trade that always had the big had the potential winning. So this is just like the high potential, high probability setup that I like. So I was waiting for this price to break this breaker. I was waiting for those who starting about here. They were right. Everyone, for those who use CMC, they were right. That break, they said that this is a change of character, and then price boomed up and then dropped. So at the same that the price went up and then create that high, that go high and then drop, I said that was the first target, and this could be another target, and this could be another target, and this could be another target, and this could be a final target. That are the initial highs. This one, that are the initial high for today, this one here. So guys, I was chilling, and then price break that, and I said wow, let me just wait for the pullback. Look at, let me just shift it to 3-minute time frame. You will see something, guys. You will see something. I just shift it into 3-minute time frame. Look at clear now. Now hope you see. So price break the breaker and then went up till to this zone here, and then I say that it could act as resistance, and then price do that, as I said, did that, bounce back and then keep dropping till to this 3-minute fair value. Who marked that fair value? Look at. So price do the respect for this zone here. That is the 3-minute fair value, and the price traded almost about 100% of 3-minute fair value. And I say that's now on the inside here. So it was inside here and price drop instead of their fair value. For those who understand that I see, they know that this is a unicorn. That was the breaker inside of the fair value instead of the breaker. That was a unicorn. So that was the liquidity. That is their higher time frame, 5-minute, 15-minute time frame breaker. And then there are the breakouts of breaker. Pull back inside of that breaker, inside of fair value, and that here my stop loss was below this breaker. I said that if price could trade below this breaker, it's good hit my stop loss. So I traded my stop loss and then I entered here. So price started to shift up very well. Let me just shift it to 1 minute time frame. Just want to show you something. Look at careful. Look at 1 minute time frame. That pullback price went up again, touched that resistance again. So that's a smaller one, this one, and then price drop, and then price quickly boomed up. The first one. So this gives me an indicator that price is gonna boom up because it's already break that's this one, and price is supposed to reach this highest high as you see here, guys, and then price boomed up. Boom! Look at till to this one highs, guys. Okay, that what the users set up, guys. So you should understand what are you doing, guys. Right time, right setup. Don't rush. Everything is very easy. Just practice till you become better. But so currently I don't have anything to lose. I don't want to wasting my time. Look at price, what the price is trying to do. It's just like touching the dawn, you know, that hit our initial highs, and I hope that price is gonna trading up more. Why? Look at that is the 4-hour time frame. Look at that is a kind of impulse correction, and that is the impulse. So we are waiting for the continuation till to this zone. That is the target that I'm waiting to see. The price is supposed to reach this zone, and maybe if the price could reach here, everything can happen here. If it will be a reversal or bounce back, if this zone could act as a resistance, because that was a resistance again. Resistance breakout, price touch again, went up, dropped it. So maybe we could waiting for this price to touch this zone and drop till to this zone again and shift up to this high. So guys, everything can happen, or if price could touch here and keep dropping till to this zone, that are fine. You know, that's if the price has already started to find the big numbers, like for the NASDAQ right now, it's finding a big number, like this is 16,000, maybe it's just all about 17,000, this one here, or 18,000. That is the target for the NASDAQ. So let's just wait and see what market is just like to happen, guys. So guys, I love you all, and I appreciate you guys, all of you guys. And with that, guys, that is FX Pro, that I'm a broker that I'm used, international broker, baby. And I don't trade with them account. That is the real account, guys. There is a real account, guys. There is a real account. As you see, this is a real account. There is a real account, guys. So everything is just like, and this is that is the NASDAQ, and the 15-minute time frame that I do. Look at this. I can add that stop loss up below this one. I'll press to that. That's it today. That's what I'm saying, guys. You know what I'm saying. Look at this one. I could protect that, guys. Look at that is that I said that Africa. That it is, guys. So I took my take profit, guys. I took my take profit, and currently I'm holding this one here, guys. I can protect this one. I don't want to lose. I don't want to. I don't want to get a swap.
Thank you,
I can do this one.
Funga.
I save. So I left this one, guys. This is a smaller, and then from the to this one, that's fine. If the price will hit that, that's fine. If you, but currently I'm waiting that price to rush it to this one here, feeling that one here. Don't waste time. So guys, so everything is just like it's just like that. It's just as simple. So guys, this is a red account, guys. Everything is clear. So I appreciate you guys. Click for the bell icon so you can get my notification videos, guys. And what am I guys trying to do right now? Let me just look. Okay. So what are they trying to do? It's just like that. So on the ES, why today I'm always trading the only that's US 100 and S&P 500. So there is the S&P 500, and then look at that is the pound, and I'm just shifting to S&P 500. So look at here on the S&P 500, the market is what are they trying to do? Just like went up, touch down this zone, nothing can work again. There is no necessity for me to let this one here, and then price is just like when here, make that another block here. Okay, guys. So today I said that I don't wanna take that S&P 500. Why? Because S&P 500, when I shift that into this 3-minute time frame, guys, you could understand that. There was the initial highs, this one, and look at it's just around few pips. Let that take profit, but in a few pips. So please say that like that. Look at this one here. This could act as a liquidity area, guys. I'm always say that this could act as a liquidity area for those who took that. This is a liquidity area on the higher time frame, but look at this one will act as a breaker. This one. So this could act as a breaker. Let me just shift it to, and so the liquidity breaker, and then price pull back to this breaker, and then for those who entered here and they take profits, could be that swing high that is by side liquidity, guys, and they boomed. So for those who entered here, they take that profit just like that, and if that pull back and they entered here. I'm just shifting in 5 minutes time frame. Look at this graph, guys. Look at this graph. So if you enter around this one here, you were right. Like I said that today I took on NASDAQ. I don't want to trade those asset, guys. No, I don't want to trade it. Why? Because if I see that I see a good setup on NASDAQ, I took only NASDAQ. If I see a good setup on S&P 500, I will took on S&P 500. It's just like that, only that, guys. So for those who went entered here, they were right. Stop loss below that breaker, they were right, guys, and they boomed like this one. Just as simple like this one. So every day, every single day, every week, every month, every year, this price tend to do this things like that, guys. So I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate, and I really appreciate you guys. Look at for this NASDAQ. That was the good one, guys. So make sure your practice is just learn it. Everything is and I'm holding that small one. you know that. Yes, let me just tell you something. Using a big lot is not the issue. The issue is on taking exception. Maybe I use maybe 0.50 lot size. So what I was supposed to open maybe 0.10 times 5, and that is 0.50 lot size. So this gives me a high leverage, so as my trade can run easy. So I appreciate you. I'm saying I'm trader as here. I think first of all, I was going to get money.